Since I started getting into YouTube a few months ago, multiple times I have heard about a power station by GoLabs, from people in the comments or from other YouTubers. Mainly, I have been interested in other power stations like Bluetti, EcoFlow, and Jackery, but after hearing so much about GoLabs, I knew I had to get my hands on one and see what it was all about. This is just a quick unboxing video as I finally received one from Amazon. I must say, the packaging is exceptional. Every side of the box is highlighted with the features of the power station, and it gets me excited about using it. My first impression as I open the box is that it is very small, quite a bit smaller than the EcoFlow River or Bluetti AC30, which have a very similar battery size. This will make it handy for grabbing it on the go in multiple scenarios.
There it is.
After I figured out how to turn it on, I was glad to see that it responded well to my prompts with the buttons. I'm also glad that it has a large built-in light on the rear of it, which makes it great for camping. Overall, this was a pleasant unboxing, and I'm eager to review the unit. Pleasant might sound funny, but I have received other items in the mail that when I open them, they fall apart. Things are scattered or stuff is damaged.
It's got a light, see that?
I do need to say that I am receiving this product for free in exchange for this video. I'll do my best to be transparent and show you how the product truly is. Look for links down below in the description. As an affiliate, I may receive a commission if you click them. If you do, it does not affect the price you pay, but it does help me out a lot, and I appreciate your support. I also have a list of various products I recommend below that you might want to check out. Please remember to hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.